How to fix BlueBox glitch on Roblox. First of all, open up your Play Store and tap on the search bar. Now type Roblox and tap on search. Now tap on Roblox and make sure you to update to the latest version. Now go back to your home screen and open up Roblox. Now tap on the three dots at the top right corner and you scroll down to the bottom and tap on logout. Now relog into your account. If this doesn't fix your issue, go back to your home screen and keep holding the Roblox icon. Now tap on app info and tap on force stop. Now go to storage usage and tap on clear data. I hope this would fix the issue. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a warning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.